I humiliated myself in front of 47,000 people last week, and it's time that we talk about it. It's the middle of my workday, and the car dealership calls me. And they're like, hey, you have an appointment. And I'm like, oh my god, I forgot. So I just like rush down there, bring my laptop, and Buddy says like it's gonna be a few hours. So I'm like, whatever, it's the middle of my workday, I'm gonna just like try to get some work done on my laptop. I run my business remotely from my computer. Anyway, it's really loud in there and it's busy. And because it's the middle of my workday, I'm just like tapping away at like the 30,000 things I have to do. And there's this lovely old man there and he's trying to start up a conversation. So I'm half paying attention to him, half trying to work. Anyways, I'm sitting down and I'm trying to put together some email copy. And I'm really putting a lot of personality in here. I'm really trying to dig deep. Anyway, it comes to the subject line and I'm going back and forth between a couple. Like, we will build the store for you, get your store built, like a couple different options. And right when I'm about to send, a Buddy comes over and he's like, yeah, so your brakes are totally screwed up and it's gonna be like $2,500. And he's like telling me this is like as if he's like breaking this like big bad news to me, which I mean, it's like not great news. Anyway, and then the older gentleman was like, oh, that's too bad, boo, boo, boo. Anyway, and while he's talking to me, I'm just trying to get this work done so I can get out of here, pay this bill, and go. So I send the email. And as I'm paying for my very expensive brakes, the email I sent to 47,000 people pops up in my own inbox. And this is the subject line. So I'm having a bad day at this point. Almost immediately, DMs start flooding my inbox and people are emailing me. Some people were pissed. Super weirdly, like as if I'm trying to like sabotage my own business. Like, I didn't do this on purpose. Anyways, I'm a marketing girly, so I was super curious. Am I going to get more opens on this email because of the spelling mistake? So here are those results. Here is a normal email. I get about 40% open rates. Here is the open rate on the spelling error email. 107 people unsubscribed. And we got about 194 clicks. And from those clicks, I ended up getting 3 sales. So not super impactful either way, but still very, very embarrassing.